welcome to episode 2. Today we are looking at how to change the color of an object to any color you want in Photoshop. So over here we have an image of a flower and we want to change the color of this flower. We'll be using the hue and saturation adjustment layer. To select that, we'll click on this icon at the bottom right hand corner of your layers tab and select hue and saturation. From there, click on the hand icon and select any point of the flower. The next thing you want to do is to adjust the range of the color selected. In order to see the color that you are adjusting, you can pull out the saturation and the hue over here. Next, you want to adjust the range of the color selected to make sure that the entire flower is selected for this adjustment. So to do so, you will adjust the range over here. So just make sure that it is selected, and from there you can adjust the hue, the saturation and even the lightness till you get the desired outcome. And there you go, that's a simplified way on how you can change the color of an object in Photoshop.